Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I am not as thrilled as I thought I would be with this, and I might be being fussy. It's my first painting of the day. But I want to make it into something I like, and that's not unheard of. I need a different card. That'll work. I want to put some white in. That's my Amsterdam white. Excuse me, my Amsterdam black. And if this has to go into geometric mode, that's what's going to happen. Wipe off my residuals where they belong. It's a lot better than it was a minute ago even, so I'm not unhappy. I'm going to use some white Anitas, metallic. I just want to portion out 4 squares unevenly. And so far, it's being elusive. So I'm going to just keep playing. Which more often than not reveals new processes that I might want to try at some other point. I got quite a bit of paint on here, but I'm actually beginning to like what I have. More than I did. I don't know what the difference is between liking and not liking. It's just a feeling I get. I really want some nice dark purple. This is not dark purple, but it might be in a second when I find the dark purple to add to it. That's a dioxazine purple on top of a purple flash from Folk Art. And I'm going to put some of the Amsterdam black with pre-stained wood conditioner in it. Right there. And I have no idea how many layers deep you can go, but I'm happier with what I've got than I was, except for that white spot. Might be a very short part too. I think I'm going to put some amethyst right down there. That's an Artist Loft amethyst. And that might work very well for me. If I can keep any of the color on the surface, I do like that. I'll just use my residuals. I really wanted a slightly whiter area there. Okay, I'm much closer to the excitement I crave and desire and need. Come on out. Out you come. Don't just show me one dot and not. So not really what I had in mind, but still fun to play with, and I like experimenting with all the different effects I get. And I've been trying to build up the nerve to use this particular formula of paint to do some scapes, and I wanted to have a lot of practice before I used a larger canvas and wasted any paint. Not that that really happens very often, but I'm as paranoid as everyone else, so I like this. I'm not 100% sure I'm done yet, but I think I know what I need to do to fix it. a little more of the Amsterdam black. I could probably put some white right down the middle there too. Not that I think it's going to make much difference, but I am getting some ideas for escapes. And I'm much happier than I was a while ago. But it's really fine, be that way. You will be integrated, assimilated, and you will disappear or leave very little of yourself a trace behind. So I'm not as sure about the 4 squares as I like the multiple squares, which I seem to do okay with. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys I really would appreciate your thumbs up. This was a good experiment. I got lots of great cells. And I wish those gold cells were over here. Maybe another time. Maybe a bigger canvas is a better idea. I think it's probably going to keep developing and get prettier and it'll be one of those things that I wasn't sure about at the time, but I'll love it tomorrow. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Do I see anything else that I need to do? Not too much. It is what it is. Oh, there it is. The place I wanted to stick my card in. Yeah, there's really beautiful. Each one is his own painting, so it can't be that bad. I'm going to zoom in and tell you guys I love you and say there's over 93,000 subscribers, I think, or close. Probably on my way to 94 by now. That'd be nice. I'm dying to zoom my little. I have a little green square, and when I press on the focus button, it's like way out of whack. It's not in the center of anything. I'm going to go turn the light out, the extra light out, and see if that makes a difference. No, it doesn't. Oh well. So my community board has tomorrow's video on it, and my YouTube channel banner has PayPal and Patreon icons on it. And if you are interested in being in the monthly drawing, not only can you find the paintings on the exhibition video, but if you use PayPal and Patreon, you will be one or the other. I prefer PayPal. You'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. It's going to happen from now on the 1st of the month. And the drawing will be either the last day of the month or the 1st of the month. I haven't quite decided, but it'll be very close to each other. My Amazon link is a great place to shop. It's on the link tree, the first blue link under the video. If you shop there, you help me buy art supplies eventually, and it's at no added cost to you. My 2 books are there because I can, and unlimited possibilities. Thank you for your wonderful comments to keep my morale boosted, and thank you for joining me. I'm thinking this is looking a lot prettier up here than it was down there when I was too close to the D thing. Please like by giving me a thumbs up and share, and watch longer if you can, and watching the commercials helps me out. And watching with the notifications helps me out. And on my link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. And on my email address is below the link tree. Should you want to contact me, I do sell my artwork. And I do give classes at the house at Spring Hill, Florida. I think I told you about the 1900 videos in the playlist. There's actually 2,000 videos. But they're not all available yet because they'll air. All of them will air in time. Can't talk anymore. If you have questions, ask me. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it is already included underneath the description, underneath the video. When you click show more, you will find it. If I can do anything to help you, I'll give you a link. We'll have a conversation, whatever it is. I'm happy to help. Stay well, be well. I wish you all well. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Oh, I didn't ever zoom in. Yeah, those cells are pretty awesome. Maybe I'll just crop the center of this, or each individual square. The squares are cool, even if they're rectangles. I love you guys. That's the best picture right there, I think. Bye for now. Priscilla out.